guy. Improve your skills to get more clients in 2021. Don't forget to support my channels by subscribe, like and comment and share my video. There is 3 things to do. Number 1, you need to produce a good quality photographs. There is a tough competition out there, and many dream of making living with photography. You need to find a way to distinguish yourself from others. You need to develop your own style and way telling your story. This can only be done by testing and keep working new ideas. Do not be afraid to taking risks and experiment by testing, practicing and emulating others until you discover what really suits your personality. Find your own niche. What are you interested? Wedding, product, fashion, food, architecture, portrait, boudoir, and why not fine arts? Learn everything you can about light. You need to improve understanding about natural light and artificial light to the point that you never ever miss the good shot during the session. And this takes time and practical experience. And until you can be sure you will get it every time and without complaints by clients. So practice and hone your skills. Learn to understand your gear. Make your camera your best friend. Keep up with the trend and apply them into your editing. Each year there is some trend in the way people want to present themselves, but each color or process way. Keep in mind that you have to stay in your niche too. Do the network and learn from the other photographers. Open your mind, go out and shoot together. You will be surprised how different the photo between 2 photographers can be. Remember that no photo will ever look the same as other. Even if the subject is the same, the light is the same, the setup, every setup, the prop, the models is the same, but the result will never be the same. Photo always come out differently. That's why workshop exists. So I recommend sometimes you should participate in some professional photographer workshop to improve yourself. And now, number 2, you need to show your work to the world. Showcase your work on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Flickr, LinkedIn, Twitter, and all many others. Show them all. Join communities and post your work in the groups. For example, wedding photography groups, portrait photography groups, product photography groups, architecture photography groups, and so many groups. So which one that you want to be niche in? Just keep posting and let the people in that community know your work. Create your own website, Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, collaborate with models or business people in your community or your town and let them share your works. Nowadays, I got 80% of my clients from social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and of course, the other 20% is from my own website. And now, number 3, don't sell yourself too cheap or give it for free. No. No free. Don't shoot for free. I mean, you shoot and give it away without anything back. It's a lot of effort in photography and it's not an easy work, right? Research the price on your local market. What other photographers offer the clients on their website package? Then you can offer your own package a little less than the other photographer who work for a years. Again, do not work for less because it will very difficult to raise the price later. In this case, you can create the promotion price because you want to promote yourself. This promotion price have to limit in time. For example, this 1 month and only 1 month only. And the clients, for example, you want to discount 10%, 15% or 50%, whatever you want, but ask your clients to share your work. So it's the other way to promote your work. Then later you always can change the price up to the other level if you are really good in what you are doing. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys get something from this video, and see you again in the next video. Bye for now.